we've organized this event, we haven't done it alone. We have worked with QBitX. QBitX is a cryptocurrency exchange where we want to know how all those exchanges work. This is very, very important meeting. So you want to take everything that you learn today very seriously. It's the kind of thing that you would have to go to school to learn. So it's very, very important. Pay attention. Don't fall asleep. I know it's Friday, people are tired. Do not fall asleep, right? So we'd like you to learn three things today. Very important because this is what's going to be happening in the future. Thing number one is cryptocurrency. What is digital money and why are we talking about digital money instead of talking about Kenya shilling? So, and you see the significance of understanding cryptocurrency as soon as now, because we are already 10 years behind. Bitcoin, the first crypto was created 10 years ago. But two, once you have learned about cryptocurrency, you have to learn what to do with it. Now that I have my UBN in my pocket, now that I have my QBitX coins in my pocket, what do I do with it? Money, you can do three things with money. Three things with money. Only. Don't let people tell you you can do more than three. There's no fourth thing to do. You can buy things with money. That type of use of money is known as acknowledgement money. For example, you can buy this chair. So you are acknowledging the past value that was used to create this chair. When you pay that, you acknowledge it's called acknowledgement money. Thing number one. You can also do the second thing, which is to sell money in a marketplace, a commodity. It's called commodity money. That's what we're going to be working on today. Working with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is a commodity. That means how does money, how does it gain value all by itself? See, when you have money that has value, you can sell it in the marketplace. And that's called cryptocurrency trading. Now, that is really interesting because cryptos that came earlier, Bitcoin, only rely on that for the value, the commodity value of money. In Kenya, we want to use Bitcoin as acknowledged money to acknowledge future or the past value to pay for things that were created in the past. To pay for school fees, to pay for your electricity, to pay for your water. That is what has not been built yet on the other cryptos. That's why I think we should take this further and work on our cryptos built here in Kenya, like UBN, for acknowledgement, to acknowledge the past value. And that way we can pay for anything we want. You can pay for a car. You can pay for an aeroplane if you have a lot of it. So number three type of money is what we call the future value of money. Future value of money is when you receive money as a loan. You haven't received money as a loan. What you have done is to get a promise to pay that money in the future. So that promise to pay is known as future money. In the cryptocurrency world, that will not be emphasized too much because future money is the kind of money created by our traditional financial system with the idea to make you poor. So, that money in present financial system is created by debt. We don't want to encourage debt. We want to encourage creativity, acknowledgement, and commodity money where it is traded. Right? So now you know the structure. Oh yeah. So we're going to know how to get cryptocurrencies, how to work with them, to do two things. One, to use it as acknowledgement money. Number two, to use it as commodity money to trade in the marketplace. And you make a lot of more money, and you become very, very rich. Okay? That's the idea. All right. But before we start, I want to tell you what Eureka project is all about. In Eureka, we strive to solve three problems in health production. Number one is the poor quality of health. I don't have to tell you how health is poor in this nation. Yeah? Number two is take care of what? The poor quality of health services in our nation. Number three is that the high cost, even if it is low quality, it's still very expensive. Yeah, we can solve these three problems. Well, the first problem again I meant lack of access. Lack of access to health services. Lack of access to health services can occur when you don't have money in your pocket. That means if you go to the hospital, they detain you and even kill you because you don't have money. So you have a double lack of access. In one, you're still alive, then your money runs out, they detain you in the hospital, they don't treat you, they don't feed you, and you die. So double. But of course, we will not release your body until somebody in your family pays for your body to go home and get buried. Lack of access can occur also if there's no hospital to go to, because you can be living somewhere that's too far from the nearest facility. We have two problems: lack of access, lack of access because of lack of money, and lack of access because of lack of health facilities. So we solve that problem, lack of access due to money, by working together and taking things to the market. We create Sokojanja, where you can sell what you produce. If you sell what you produce, you're going to have money in your pocket. And of course, now for simplify UBN, you're working with UBN, then we can modify this thing very quickly. So, lack of facilities, what you have to do is put up health facilities everywhere in the nation where health will be accessible easily and food. See, now poor quality occurs when knowledge about health and medicine is very low. Knowledge, we found out recently that the knowledge in our universities does not leave the university. Why? Is the knowledge in the university still sitting in the university without coming out? Shocking to everybody in Kenya is that the university is not on the information superhighway. We have internet in the university, but the knowledge in the university does not hop onto the information superhighway. So the knowledge in our university travels at the speed of a snail. As long as knowledge is traveling at the speed of a snail, we're not going to have knowledge in the nation to make good quality products to give people in the hospitals. And we don't have access to the knowledge that is in our universities because our universities are not on the information superhighway. They have internet in the university, but the knowledge there, it is like bananas that are sitting to rot. Knowledge is like bananas. If you leave your bananas in the sun for a while, they shall rot and you won't be able to eat them. Similarly, if you leave the knowledge in our university to bring itself out of there and it doesn't come out, what will it do? It will rot away and away, and then we shall be in a situation which PLO Lumumba has described a lot, that people with knowledge do not have money in Kenya. People with knowledge don't have money. People with money don't have any knowledge. There's a big correction there. People in universities generate knowledge, but it is rotting. It is not that they have knowledge, don't have money. The reason they don't have money is because the knowledge they're supposed to have has begun to rot because it doesn't get out on the information superhighway to come and help people. Because of that, we don't have enough knowledge to develop quality products in the nation. You go to hospital, either they're importing everything out from outside, even the knowledge itself is not up to date because it is running away. The only way we can solve that problem is by increasing, first of all, creating a channel using Ubiquitous, digital currency, the blockchain itself. We create a channel that would enable that knowledge to come out of the university. But even if we create a channel, it's not enough. For example, if you have a generator of electricity and you put wires to get the electrical current to come out, what happens? The meter for the electricity will not move until you buy an appliance and put it in the kitchen, turn on the appliance, and then what? And then you get charged for that use of appliance. Similarly, we have to build places in this nation that consume knowledge from the university. It's only when the knowledge is consumed that it turns into money. We call those places we want to build produce value addition centers. BVAC, and you have to have them in every village. We can have produce and value addition centers for banana in fruits. We can have so many different products of bananas coming from knowledge in a university. But for as long as our banana scientists in the universities have knowledge, and that knowledge is not channeled out. And once it is channeled out, it has to have a learning path. And it's only when that produce value addition center uses knowledge that the dial for that knowledge gets bent and the money comes back to the university. So the correction here from here was green is that it is not that there is knowledge in the university and then people with knowledge do not have money. That's right. They don't have knowledge. Knowledge is not money unless that knowledge is used. Okay? You cannot charge for someone who hasn't used electricity at home cooking. So the university is a generator of knowledge. That knowledge needs to be transmitted to users and then have a place where that knowledge can be used in order for it to become money. It is true that knowledge is wealth. According to George Gilbert, 2014, knowledge is wealth. However, knowledge closed somewhere in a book, in a thesis, in the shelf of our university is not wealth. That knowledge is decaying matter. If we get that, this nation is going to change forever. We have 66 universities to work with, and whichever ones agree, then we can start channeling the knowledge out, getting it to the people. The final problem we have to solve, which now falls back on the others, is the problem of cost. Everything is very expensive. Everything is very expensive because everything is imported. We do not have manufacturing capacity. Manufacturing is stifled. And the manufacturing gets stifled when the knowledge is locked in the generator of knowledge. So as soon as we turn that knowledge out, manufacturing increase. And that is what I want to say to you today. But remember, tonight, it's practicals. We're going to put the seeds in circles. We learn about wallets. We learned about cryptocurrency exchanges. I see Qubitex here. Tell us all about exchanges. And then we learn about trading. After just a few minutes of just small talk, then you go busy, get busy, practicals, learn. Because we want to make sure everyone tonight comes out with technology for trading money. We are saying, what type of money is that? Commodity money. Tonight, we are talking about the second type of money, commodity money. I would like you to remember those three things. Thing number one about money, first money, acknowledgement money. We are acknowledging the value of something that was created in the past. It helps you to buy things. Two, we have commodity money, acknowledging the value of the money, but as it is, intrinsic value of that money. So, in the future money, which is about credit money, we're not going to talk about that because credit is for the old financial system that is guaranteed by fiat. So, all right, thank you so much.